Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm here with the 25 days of so much fun advent calendar, and I'm on day 9. I just want to let you guys know we love all the pictures you're sending to us. We love the presents you're sending pictures of, the ornaments on your tree. Keep them coming. Today again is day 9, and I was bad. I'm probably gonna get a cold in my stocking. I already opened my present, and it's 3 yards of beautiful fabric, coordinated and curated by the elves here at the shop. So have so much fun on day 9. Remember to post your pictures and call us for your VIP slot at the party on January 10th. You cannot register online, so give the shop a call. Let us know you're coming and we will register you. Bye. Have a great day.